Before we start, let me ask you a question. Who here remembers a teacher who inspired you or helped you understand something difficult? Good day everyone, I am Rocky John Samonte from BA Ed 2 Section E. Today, we want to encourage grade 12 graduating students to consider taking teacher education as their college course because this teaching is a profession that helps you shape the future. Graduating from senior high school is the beginning of a journey. Choosing the right college course is an important decision. As a graduating students, you are about to enter college and start preparing for future career. One of the most important decisions you will make is choosing the right course. Career choices. There are many choices you are choose in college. It is important to choose a meaningful career. Many careers are available such as engineering, business, medicine, and education. However, it is important to choose a career that is meaningful and can help others. Teaching as a career. Teaching is one of the most respected professions. Teachers help shape the minds of students. Teaching is considered a noble profession because teachers help guide students in learning and in life. They play an important role in shaping the knowledge and character of the youth. What is teacher education? Teaching education prepares students to become professional teachers. It develops teaching knowledge and skills. Teaching education is a college program designed to train future teachers. It helps them to learn how to teach lessons, guide students, and manage classrooms. What you learn. Students learn teaching strategies and classroom management. They also learn how to guide and inspire learners. In the teaching education, students study different teaching methods and techniques. They also learn how to motivate students and make lessons interesting and effective. Teaching education program. Example, include elementary education and secondary education. This is program prepare teachers for different grade levels. Bachelor of Elementary Education focuses on teaching young learners, while Bachelor of Secondary Education prepares teachers for high school students. Why choose teaching? Teaching helps students learn and grow. Teachers inspire and guide the next generation. When you choose teaching, you are helping students understand lessons and achieve their dreams. Teachers also inspire students to become better individuals. Role of the teachers. Teachers guide students in learning and development. They also serve as role models. Teachers do not only teach subjects but also help students develop good values and discipline. Because of this, teachers serve as role models for their students. Importance of teachers. Teachers educate future professionals. They help build a stronger nation. Every doctor, engineer, or leader once had a teacher who helped them learn. Because of this, teachers play an important role in the development of society. Benefits of being a teacher. Teacher a stable and respected career. It gives a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Teachers are respected in the community because of their contribution to education. They also feel proud and fulfilled when they see their students succeed. Career opportunities. Graduates can work in public or private school. They can also become tutors or online educators. Teachers education graduates have many career opportunities. They can work in schools, tutoring centers, or even teach students online. Challenges is teaching. Teachers may experience heavy workloads. Managing students can also be challenging. Like other professions, teaching has challenges such as preparing lessons and handling different types of students. However, these challenges can be managed through dedication and experience. Reward of teaching. Seeing students succeed is very rewarding. Teachers bring pride and fulfillment. One of the best feelings for teachers is seeing their students improve and achieve their dreams. This makes teaching a very fulfilling profession. Teaching helps shape the future generation. Choose teaching and become a future educators. As you choose your college course, we encourage you to consider teachers' education. By becoming a teacher, you can inspire your students and help build a better future. As you stand at the crossroads of your future, choosing a college course that will shape you, your life, and your career. We encourage you to consider a path that is both meaningful and impactful. Teacher education. Becoming a teacher is not just having a profession, it is about embracing a mission to inspire, guide, and transfer lives. Teachers play a very important role in society. They are the ones who help students discover their talents, build their confidence, and develop the skills they need to succeed in life. Every doctor, engineer, lawyer, or a profession you can think of once had a teacher who will guide them. By choosing teacher education, you are choosing to be that guiding light for others. One of the most fulfilling aspects of being a teacher is the opportunity to inspire young minds. Inside the classroom, you are not just teaching lessons from a book. You are shaping dreams, values, and futures. A simple word of encouragement from a teacher can change a student's life forever. You become someone your students will look up to, remember, and appreciate even years and they leave your class. Teaching allows you to make a real difference in your community. Education is one of the strongest foundation of a progressive and successful society. When you teach, you contribute to build a better future, not just for individuals, but for the entire nation.